Hello, class. I'm Dr. Quasar, your guide through the wonders of the universe. On today's bite-sized universe, we dive into the secrets of the most distant Milky-Way-like galaxy ever spotted. Picture this. Far, far away in the celestial canvas, astronomers have unveiled a celestial twin to our Milky Way, and it's rewriting the cosmic history books. The faraway system, known as Ceres 2112, made its debut in the cosmic spotlight thanks to the keen eyes of an international team armed with the James Webb Space Telescope. Ceres 2112 is not just any galaxy, it's a barred spiral galaxy, just like our cosmic haven, the Milky Way. The bar at the heart of this galactic marvel is made of stars. Published on November 8th in the esteemed journal Nature, this discovery challenges our beliefs about when barred spiral galaxies, like our Milky Way, made their grand entrance onto the cosmic stage. So what's the big deal? First, we need to talk time travel. When we gaze at faraway objects like Ceres 2112 from Earth, we're essentially peering into the past. The light may be the cosmic record holder for speed, but it does not travel instantly. If we look at very distant galaxies, the light we observe now has actually traveled through the vastness of the universe for ages, allowing us to witness a snapshot of celestial events from billions of years ago. Thanks to this phenomenon, we are now in possession of a slightly outdated photo of Ceres 2112, 11.7 billion years, give or take. Now, this is more than just an outdated selfie that took its sweet time to get delivered. Looking at it, astronomers noticed that just 2.1 billion years after the Big Bang, Ceres 2112 has already formed its stunning barred structure, a cosmic display challenging our assumptions about early galaxies. Talk about being early to make a galactic fashion statement. Now, let's talk galactic evolution. This discovery means that galaxies resembling our own existed a mind-boggling 11.7 billion years ago, when the universe was just a cosmic toddler at 15% of its current age. Astronomers were actually left astonished by the order and structure of Ceres 2112 at a time when chaos was expected. Massive spiral galaxies, like the ones in our cosmic neighborhood, were thought to be a rarity back then. The prevailing idea is that it takes galaxies a few sweet billion years or more to get their act together, forming those fancy central bars. But Ceres 2112 throws a galaxy-sized curveball, suggesting this evolution happened in a cosmic blink, just about 1 billion years or even less. That's quicker than a galactic microwave dinner. Since galaxies matured and became ordered much faster than we ever dreamed, the very foundations of our current theories of galaxy formation and evolution seem to be inaccurate. But here's the cosmic cherry on top. We know what may be missing from our current models. Dark matter. The mysterious, never-observed entity, believed to make up a whopping 85% of the universe, might be the backstage magician pulling the strings on these early galaxy bars. Accounting for the amount of dark matter included in the earliest galaxies should give us better estimations. The European Space Agency's Euclid telescope is on a mission to map this mysterious entity as we speak. If you enjoyed this brief glimpse into the mysteries of the universe, hit that like button and subscribe for a boost in attendance in our bite-sized lectures. Keep looking up, Stargazers. Stay curious, and may your journey through the universe be filled with wonder. This is Dr. Quasar, signing off.